welcome to my vlog, Babyliss Official. Now we are at Huntsville Riverside Park. Let's go and walk around.
Go inside. This is the park.
Papasok ko sa loob siguro. Oh, this is it. Walang pasukan. Texture garden. Look, different weeds. Different
There is garden.
What is the garden?
Tomato. This one is some garden.
Scent garden. Ibig sabihin may amoy. Ayun yung ano, yung ano yung purple na yan?
Native.
Ano yung picture niya? Scent
Ay,
garden. Native plant garden. Native plant? Hearing garden. What do you mean hearing garden? Maraming
There's a
bug?
sound.
Huh? Sound of what? Can you hear
Oh,
something?
this one.
Huh? Nice flowers.
This one, side garden.
Side garden. And this one, barefoot cat. Barefoot, mag-apak ka. Ibig sabihin, maglakad ka dyan pa-apak. Yan po ang teeny tiny garden nila. Let's go this way.
Look at their small plaza.
That's a small plaza. Wow, look at the view, mahal. Ang ganda. Diba?
Ganda dito, no? Small town. Yes, sidewalk. This is the riverside.
The river.
That's the river. Oh, there's a guy doing fishing over there.
That's a lad.
No?
There's a fisherman.
Yeah.
Oh, may kainan pala doon sa baba.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's a Boston.
Ha?
Boston.
Boston Pizza?
Yes.
Then we go down?
Yeah.
Okay. Saan tayo?
You cannot go down. You have to go the other side. But now we're going this way first. Look at this river.
This is the river.
Why is it so dark?
Hindi clear.
But the water is clean. But I think the bottom.
There's the bridge.
You cannot go that bridge.
Papalayo tayo hala.
No. It's settled now. There's a.
Oh, may tayo pala dyan, oh.
Yeah.
Laki naman, no? Hello, guys. We are here at Muskoka, Huntsville, Muskoka. And we're having lunch at Gangnam, Korean restaurant. See? And we are waiting for our food, okay? At syempre, siya nga pala, maraming salamat sa aking viewers, subscribers, at sa mga silent viewers. Thank you po sa panonood nyo ng aking video. paki-thumbs up nyo na rin po, please. At huwag nyo rin pong kakalimutan na share at subscribe ang aking vlog. Thank you again. Maraming salamat. Hintayin namin ang aming order. Yes. Tama. Siya yun?
Kasi pati sa wasong, patak sa wasong.
Ganun din.
Yan mo. Panuorin mo ito. Hindi mo makandig.
Wow! Ang galing ah. Huntsville, and that's the restaurant built in 1858. Caesar Bar.
And this side?
This is like park. The park is over there. You can watch, sit
You
down
can
with
ride.
the people. Ride what?
Ride a boat. There, see?
You have to pay?
Pedal boat.
Pedal where?
Right there, look at the people.
Oh, let's go pedal now.
And Saskatchewan. Yeah.
May maliit na pagoda.
Yeah, Saskatchewan. Yes.
Take the Canada flag.
Yeah, I like it. I like to go this way. Look at here.
This is amazing. Sitting in a park like this is fabulous.
There's a lot of stuff to eat there.
Yeah, ano yun? Kainan?
Yeah.
Ano yung turo-turo?
No,
What is it?
I think it's Boston Pizza right there.
Ayun nga, dapat Boston pizza na lang tayo. Sabi, hindi na nakakapag-pizza natin.
Now there is pizza too.
Pizza rin?
I think so.
Puro pizza?
Mahal, you eat it. It goes $60 that food. Mahal.
The
That's-
pizza?
No, this Gangnam.
I know.
Yeah, that's expensive too. It's not that cheap.
Andun yung ilog sa dulo.
Let's go. Oh, that's where you rent the thing.
Para kami yung picture ng ano, canopy. Ay, video mo yung mga ano, yung mga bangka. Bangka.
You can rent. Yeah.
Ganda
Oh,
ng
look at this.
bangka.
This one is good.
Kano. Ito yung mga kanong maganda.
But why is the water so dark?
Mainit. Mainit. Daanan doon pa raw sa lahat.
These are good over there. Yeah.
Wow. What a nice place. Ano?
Yeah.
Dami nagbabangka. Maliit lang yung ano ah. Di ba na uuntog yan mga yan?
No.
Ha?
This one?
Di ba nauuntog? Ay, nandun sa dam. Ano yan yung sakatan ng tubig? Sakatan ng tubig yan?
Yeah, pag tumaas ang tubig.
Ah. Nakakasalit yun ah. Ayun yung alaala ng nakaraan. Nasa picture, ganyan itsura nun. Wala pang tulay.
This boat need to go that side, not here.
Yeah.
Kasi tatama siya dito. Niya to be there.
Oo. Di ba? Ganda. Ano klaseng flower yan? Sit. Gangnam, Korea. Sarap. Quesada, burrito, chocolate. Church Street. Hanggang dito yung Church Street. Downtown po ng Huntsville. Anong pangalan? Huntsville? This is the downtown of Huntsville. Where on Main Street is Kings William Street. Baka dun yun.
No, right there. Huntsville.
Oh. Nakita mo na?
Yeah.
Muskoka, Muskoka. Ayan, Muskoka po tayo. Sa Muskoka. Casa Cana. Ay, Cana. Parang ano to ah, parang sa ano? Ano yung pinuntahan natin? Na may dagat din na ano sa Salmon?
Ganda.
Downtown Expression.
Bakit? Pati ano sa
Turn left. Hindi mo maandar pa.
Turn left on Brunel Road.
Brunel Road. So, county ba ng Algonquin to? Algonquin? Eh, ba't meron silang pamangalan na ganyan?
Continue
Express.
straight for 8 minutes to Muskoka Road 10.